My dear listeners, today I am going to tell you how motivation plays an important role in one's life. In human life, motivation plays an important role in one's character building and one's life pattern. Making progress in life and competing with others is 90% the result of motivation, either motivation or self-motivation. The old people experienced tough times in their lives, as a result of which they arrived at a conclusion and they left their valuable experiences in the form of their quotable quotes. Today, I am sharing some quotable quotes with my listeners. Winston Churchill was a wise man. He says that success is not final, failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. A great lady of the world, Helen Keller, who was blind and deaf at the same time, but she had her mental eyes and she observed the world with her mind. She says, never bend your head, always hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. In this wise saying, Carol Burnett is of the view that we must grab the opportunity. We must have an idea about our future and then we must grab it. We must get strong hold of it. He says, when you have a dream, you have got to grab it and never let go. Jimmy Dean, who was an American music singer, television host, actor and businessman, he shows his optimism in life. He says, I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. Demi Lovato was another American singer, songwriter, actress, and television personality. She says, no matter what you are going through, no matter what you are going through, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. William James was an American philosopher, psychologist, and the first educator to offer a psychology course in the United States. He is of the view and gives us a great quotable quote. He says, it is our attitude at the beginning of a difficult task which, more than anything else, will affect its successful outcome. Albert Einstein, a great scientist of the world, a genius, he says about life, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Audrey Hepburn was a British actress and humanitarian. She says, nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Maya Angelou was an American poet, singer, and civil rights activist. She published 7 autobiographies, 3 books of essays, and several books on other topics. She says, try to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. Deep Roy was a Kenyan-born British-American actor, stuntman, and puppeteer of Indian descent. He says that inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you are positive, good things happen. E. Cummings was a great American poet, painter, essayist, author, and playwright. He published a lot of works. He wrote approximately 2,900 poems, 2 autobiographical novels, 4 plays, and several essays. He says about life, the most wasted of days is one without laughter. George Eliot, a great name. She was an English novelist, poet, journalist, translator, and one of the leading writers of the Victorian era. She says, "It's never too late to be what you might have been." Hazrat Inayat Khan was the founder of the Sufi order in the West in 1914 and the teacher of universal Sufism. He says, some people look for a beautiful place, others make a place beautiful.